Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Fakhrul Sajib. Today we are going to learn how to reverse a string in Java without using reverse function. Before that, first we'll understand how to find length of a string and index of a string. String string my string equal, suppose I'm giving hello. To print length SOUT, then tab length is plus bracket my string dot length. It will print length of hello. Now we will print index position of h. SOUT, then tab index position of h is index position of h is plus sign my string dot index of h. I just want to check the index of h. Save the project, run the project. You can see length is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you look at the index position, index start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means length starts from 1 and index starts from 0. Now I am removing these lines. String my string and reverse string equal to empty. I'm declaring two variables. One is my string and reverse string is empty. Now I'll print something SOUT, then tab enter a string, then we have to use scanner class to take input from user. Scanner input equal new scanner system dot input. We have to import scanner class, add import for java util.scanner. Now we'll take my string string my string equal input dot next line, as we'll take input string from the user. That's why we have used next line. First I will use for loop to reverse a string, then I will show you while loop to reverse a string. For loop int I equal to my string dot length as index position start from 0 and length start from 1. We have already seen that. That's why you have to give the -1. Length -1. Then semicolon, I greater than equal 0, I minus minus, curly braces start, curly braces close. Now I'll just add this reverse string equal to reverse string plus my string dot char at I. Then we'll print SOUT tab reverse string is plus reverse string here. Save the project. First we'll debug to better understand the code. I'm just giving the breakpoint here. Debug project. I'm giving my name Sajib. Press enter. Now press F8. I equal to 4 now. 4 is greater than 0. Then it will go to the next line. Press F8. Now reverse string is B because Sajib B is the last word. We got the B. Reverse string now. If you hover your mouse, then you can see that we got the B here. Now press F8 again. Now I equal to 3. 3 is greater than 0. It will go to the next line. Now reverse string is B. If we press F8, it will add I. Press F8. If you hover your mouse, you can see I is added here now. Now I equal to 3. Press F8 and I'll 2 now. Press F8. Now J is added here, reverse string. You can hover your mouse, then you can check also. And now I is 2. If you press F8, I will become 1. Press F8. See, I equal 1. 1 is greater than 0. Press F8. You can see that A is also added here. You can look here. Press F8. I is 0. 0 is equal to 0. Then it will go to the next line. Press F8. Press F8. I is not 0 now. I will become -1. That's why it will not enter inside of for loop. Instead of it will go to the next line. Press F8. You can see the output is here now, reverse string B I J A S. So it works. If you do not give -1 here, we'll get the exception because index and length is not equal. Let's check. I'm deleting -1 here. Run project will get the exception. Now first I'm giving my name Sajib. If you press enter, now we'll get exception as we have deleted -1 here. See, we have got string index out of bounds exception. String index out of range 5, because we have to -1 here, because length start from 1 but index start from 0. That's why you have to give -1 here. Then it will work. Save the project, run the project. See output here. If you want to use while loop to reverse string, then while, have to use this condition here, and I minus minus I minus minus here, and this line here. Let's check whether it works or not. Now I have used while loop here. Sajib. See, it works. One thing you can do here, instead of writing this line, we can use also simple reverse string plus equal instead of writing this line, you can also write this reverse string plus equal my string dot char at I. It is same. This line and this line is same. You can write also. Now we'll check it works or not. See, I hope now you can easily reverse a string in Java without using reverse function. That's all for today. If you want to learn more about Java, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.